Hello YouTube, welcome to another video tutorial. In this one I'll be showing you guys how to use a webmail for payroll job. So the most important tool for payroll job is the webmail. Okay, so payroll job is basically cloning the identity of an employee and asking the payroll officer to send the weekly salary to a new bank information. Okay, so take note of that. Now, to clone the identity to ask the officer to change the bank info is where the webmail comes in, okay? So because they communicate via email and not text messages. Okay, so now let's talk about how to use the webmail, okay? So this is exactly what the webmail looks like, okay? And take note, there's a difference between a regular webmail and a cracked one. Okay, so this is basically cracked webmail. So you can actually message me for cracked webmails, or you can actually go buy it from a vendor that you trust. Okay, so once you get your webmail, you log in. All right, so this is how the webmail looks like, and then you click on settings. So when you click on settings, you click on identities, and then when you click on identities, you need to create a new identity. Okay, so you need to check that email, and then you're gonna clone your new identity right here. So once you have the employee information, you put the name and then you put the cloned email. It should look something like that. Okay, so that's how you do the cloning. Now you click on compose because you're going to send emails now. So once you click on compose, you select the email you cloned as the sender from. Okay, and then you put in the payrolls officer email address to the two. All right, and then you put in a similar message just exactly like this. Then you click send. Okay, so that's basically how you do the job on the webmail. So make sure you are using a cracked webmail, not a regular one. And if you need the cracked webmail, just message me. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, hit your notification bell so you don't miss my next video update. So guys, bye for now, and I will see you in the next one.